When it comes to getting dinner on the table night after night, it can get pretty challenging. So I want to share a recipe that'll help you out when you just don't know what to make. As the weather gets warmer, we start craving dishes that are lighter, but we still want ones that'll satisfy our family. The recipe that we're whipping up today is one of my personal favorites. We start by adding some diced tomatoes to a head of chopped romaine, along with a good amount of corn, black beans that we've drained and rinsed, a bit of diced red onion, and a handful of shredded cheddar. We set that aside for a sec and toss a good amount of cooked chicken that we've cut up into cubes with some barbecue sauce. We put the chicken on and drizzle on some ranch dressing. You can serve this as is, but I like to pop it in the fridge for a few minutes before serving it. A few tortilla strips go on top, and it's time to ring the dinner bell. The sweet and tangy barbecue sauce, along with the cool ranch, makes this a perfect combo. To get the recipe for our south of the border chicken salad, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a tasty change of pace kind of way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.